to try this nature cereal. I got the coconut oil water. This is the only coconut water I could find. And guess what? It's like $5 for this little bottle. Anyway, got the pomegranate and I have got my berries. So let me just wash off my fruit right quick. Okay. I'll take some of the berries out and wash them. So we got the berries in here. That should be enough of berries and get a little bit more. All right. Berries and so now I just gotta add my pomegranate. Alright, so we got that added, and now we're gonna add the coconut water. Okay guys, this is how it looks. Nice and yummy. So I'm just gonna try it. I seen Lizzo add ice. I'm gonna add some ice to it. Okay, so let's just try it and see how I like it. Make sure I get everything on the spoon. So this is it right here. I think I should have got a different coconut oil. I mean water, but it's fresh. I like it. Surprisingly sweet. It doesn't taste bad at all. Give this cereal probably an 8. Tastes super healthy. Berries are super sweet. I think next time I make it, I'm gonna add some strawberries in it just to add a little. But it tastes pretty good to me. Anyway, guys, let me know if you tried this nature cereal like me. I'm just trying to find ways to, eat healthier and do all that good stuff. Make sure my digestive system is nice and healthy, Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.